NEAR could rise 3.7% by April 24, digital coin price data forecasts. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. NEAR has moved down 2.2% in the last day and is currently near $1.383. Here come 5 views from analysts. Digital coin price sees the price reaching $1.435 tomorrow, representing an increase of about 3.7%. Coin Codex projects a move up to $1.414 for NEAR, which implies a gain of 2.2%. Crypto Predictions points out the price could rise to $1.397, about 0.9% above current value. A separate forecast by Coin Dataflow shows NEAR might edge down to $1.35, a projected decrease near 2.5%. To conclude, cryptonization points toward $1.273 by tomorrow, a drop of 8%. This is the highest yield forecast we've reviewed. The outlooks are complete. Let's see the broader view. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. According to the data, the price swing could be from a decrease of 8% to a rise of 3.7%. Our review shows cryptonization giving the most optimistic forecast with 8% gain in value by April 24. This means you could collect between $9 and $80 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, Crypto Predictions tops the list with a 90.6% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. According to the average forecast, NEAR is expected to hover near $1.374. Let's get into the weeds a bit. Consensus insights highlight a 0.7% decrease in price. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.7%. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $7 added. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 91.5%. Let's turn now to how analysts describe the near-term path over the 3 days. Digital coin price describes the path as tilting upward. A bullish view also comes from Coin Codex, who sees the price advancing. Likewise, Crypto Predictions highlights that NEAR is on an upward path. Coin Dataflow signals a steady decline. Additionally, cryptonization expects the price to slump further. The consensus highlights a steady picture, with NEAR hovering near today's levels. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for NEAR. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $1.402. In this case, only 1 out of 5 captured the correct direction. If precision is what counts, Coin Dataflow had the best result. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. Just one outlook proved consistent with the daily span. Speaking of ROI, only one analyst avoided losses this time. This is the complete summary. All forecasts verified and compared. Crypto Predictions displayed $0.072 accuracy, 73.6% forecast probability, and minus 1.6% ROI. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between NEAR and several others. NEAR remains below the leader, as Zcash shows 4.9% growth potential. Here we're comparing NEAR with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset, with expanded analyst statistics, will be published soon on my website and Telegram. If you're keeping an eye on NEAR, hit like so I know these updates are useful for you. Catch you in the next analysis.